Hi guys, today I will guide you step by step on how to download a Windows ISO file on a Mac. Step 1. Open a web browser. Open Safari, Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox on your Mac. You can find these applications in the dock or by searching for them in Spotlight. Step 2. Visit the Microsoft Windows download page. Type the link in the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the official Microsoft Windows download page. Step 3. Download the Media Creation tool. Click on the Download tool now button under the Create Windows 10 Installation Media section. The button will start downloading the Media Creation Tool 21H2 X file. Step 4. Run the Media Creation tool. Once the download is complete, run the Media Creation Tool 21H2 X file by clicking on it in the Downloads folder or by searching for it in Spotlight. You may need to grant permission for the tool to run. Click Open to proceed. Step 5. Accept the terms. Read the license agreement and check the box to accept the terms. Click Accept to proceed. Step 6. Choose the media type. Select Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. Click Next to proceed. Step 7. Choose the language, edition, and architecture. Select the language edition like Home, Pro, etc. and architecture, whether it's 64-bit or 32-bit that you want to download. Then click Next to proceed. Step 8. Choose the ISO file option. Select ISO file as the media type. After that, click Next to proceed. Step 9. Choose a location to save the ISO file. Select a location to save the ISO file, such as the desktop or downloads folder. Then click Save to proceed. Step 10. Wait for the download to complete. The ISO file will start downloading. Just wait for the download to complete. You can monitor the progress in the Media Creation tool window. Step 11. Verify the download. Once the download is complete, verify the ISO file by checking its size and contents. You can use a tool like Disk Utility to verify the ISO file's integrity. That's it. You now have a Windows ISO file downloaded on your Mac. You can use this ISO file to create a bootable USB drive or DVD, or install Windows on your Mac using Boot Camp Assistant. Thanks for watching. Take care.